Hello, this is Bill with the Wilderness Hiker. I'm out here at Elk City Lake going to check out the Elk River hiking trail. Come on with me, let's have a good time. The Kansas Trails Council does an excellent job of maintaining these trails. The birds are staying well hid. This is one of the few I could get on camera. The old cars are off the trail. You have to look for them. This cairn marks the trail. Water is usually available all along the trail. A beaver is working on this tree, and he started on this tree. Rock fence, been here a while. If you don't have anything else to build a fence with, use rocks. There are too many of them here anyway. Another rock wall, or what's left of it. Time for lunch. The USGS survey marker. Another rock wall. This is a nice big one. Another cairn marking the trail. Good place for a campsite. Alright, there goes the fire. I will get the food. For dinner, there is some bison here, and some veggies, and an avocado. Okay, that should cook nicely there. Poblano, red bell pepper, Anaheim is a relatively mild green chili. Poblano is a relatively mild green chili. And some onion. Got a smaller stick for the onion, see if that works a little better. Let that just smoke a while. It sure does look good. Just barely pink inside. Keeping the fire small. Want to go exploring after dinner. It's ready. Time to eat. Good yummy bison. Cooked just right. Now this is really good. Bison's a little bit like beef, but actually it's a lot more tasty. Really good, cooked just right. What could possibly be better than bison kebabs? Perfectly cooked red bell pepper. The fire is out. The tent is set up. I'm going to go for a walk. Time to explore. Here we are back to the trail. Here's the old broken power line. There used to be a house here somewhere. That used to be the house. It got bulldozed off the cliff here. Trail goes on here. Somewhere around here is where they had the unmanned aid station for the Flat Rock 50 race. Every September there's a 50K race here. It's an out and back from the dam. Pretty cool. I've done it a few times. Do it too many times and they will nominate you as a knight in the Hall of Pain and give you a free entry. So I get a free entry every year. Finally caught a robin on camera. This is the second one. Lots of other birds here. It's getting dark. I'm heading back. Been trying to track these birds all day long. Can't sneak up on them. They stay just out of sight. But I found two. So it's amazing all the surprises you found in these woods. I've been here so many times and every time I come there's something new. That's our sunset. Just a faint red glow. Time to start the fire again. Now it's burning pretty well. Should burn for a while. Got a nice hot rock to sit on. We might hear some coyotes pretty soon. Time for bed. Get the tent ready. It's been a good day. Time to go to sleep. Getting in bed here. Nice cozy tent. Good morning. Time to get ready to go. Pack all this stuff up. Packed up, ready to go. It's raining. I put on my raincoat. It's warmed up. I'm getting really warm. Let's go. Here's where a tree fell on the trail. So the trail changes and it goes down here. It looks like a whole forest fell down, pretty much wiped out this trail, so it's just scrambled over logs. Beaver Pond, they're pretty much taking out the trees here. Time for breakfast. Got banana chips, papayas, cashews. Really good. Time to go. Beavers at work. It's really raining now. Hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, please click the subscribe button.